go. Welcome to EEC.
This is big.
This is mad, isn't it?
This is a big merchant. It's like a destination town, isn't it? You know, you come here and spend like an hour or something.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
You can even stack it. It's up to 15 mil. Alright, show you it on that. And it won't drop, okay? Yeah. Again, this is just to show you the initial strength and the initial grab that CT1 has. And again, because it really needs air moisture to cure, and fully cure underwater.
Hey, this is Declan.
Declan,
yeah.
right.
Yeah, confessions for off camera only, Sam.
Ah.
Declan has never had a pint against.
But
Can you believe that?
you're Irish. Wait, so I'm.
Declan's 28,
Yeah.
Sam, I said you're young and fresh looking.
Yeah.
He never. He said it. I said how Sam is. He told I told Sam.
Do you know what,
I actually
though?
told Sam. Ted was Sam's. He did, son. He did, Sam. And he said,
That's
so
fine.
He did say, in fairness, you must have had him very young.
Yeah, that's
I think he
fine.
was only
So
backtracking
how
at
old
that
did you
stage.
think I was?
Tell the truth.
32.
No, you liar. And you also thought.
No, I didn't know it. No, honestly.
I said, how old are you? He said 20 hours. I said, your Sam's age. But no
So
way.
this is our unique Traber technology.
Here we go. We're just having a little look around.
Having a browse round. Trying to work out the blend. It's like a blend of merchant. It's like it's a blend between a standard builder's merchant, like bricks, blocks and slabs, and then
A DIY shop.
like Trade Point.
Yeah. Or even like an independent handy
Yeah, but maybe Trade Point.
hardware shop.
You know, like Trade Point have got that blend though, because you've got your B&Qs, and then
Yeah,
Trade
true.
Point next to your B&Qs. I think this has got a Trade Point, a vibe about it when
Yeah.
you look in the Trade Point, because you can go and shop in B&Q, but
Yeah,
they've got the heavy
yeah.
side, and they do all the heavy stuff, which, this is big round here. This
Yeah.
is a big merchant in Ireland. Yeah. This is brand new. My eyes are lighted up, because I'm looking at this as a mad new market to us. Because we've never been to Ireland like this. We went to Dublin once, as a joke.
Yeah.
For a pint and come back. This is the first time we've been on the ground where the builders are at, shopping, buying their products, and this just feels different, doesn't it? There ain't nothing you don't want in this shop.
No.
What a selection of stuff. But it's all laid out nice. You can see it, you can touch it. This has turned into home sense now. You walk up the stairs and it's got that vibe, like Yankee candles.
Here we go. We're getting a personalised tour of the actual builder's merchant side of it. Wow. Oh my.
Because we have plenty of different types, and there's only 8x4 sheets of stuff.
Yeah.
But we are able to selling 9x4, but we cannot keep it, you know.
Because you haven't got no
Yeah,
room.
No, not enough space.
Wow.
Same story as the bathroom. So million products, but
Crazy. Now this is Irish cement. Made in Ireland. How far away?
15 miles roughly.
And this is made 15 mile away.
Yeah.
Wow. That is sick.